what we're cooking today is one example of the different dishes that we'll be cooking during this workshop. These particular dishes, plantain and beans. During the course of this virtual cooking and baking workshop, we will be traveling across Africa to learn different techniques of how different dishes and snacks are made. From learning how to cook and bake Nigerian and South African snacks and drinks, to cooking delicious vegetarian dishes from Ethiopia to Zimbabwe. You will be connected with different cultures and regions across Africa. This African cooking and baking workshop is a fun way to learn African indigenous cooking stories, food culture, and a healthy lifestyle. Please join our virtual cooking workshop to investigate different cultures and connect with Mother Africa.